If you're like me and your pets are literally your family and you'll do anything in your power to take care of them, well, then I have the perfect product for your pets. This is a dog toothbrush and toothpaste from Radius. This is the company right here. Here's the box right here. It is 100% USDA approved organic. And I'm telling you, I've used a bunch of products. I love this case right here. So you open the case, and here is your xylitol-free clean teeth toothbrush and this awesome ouch-free. So this is the toothpaste. This is the toothpaste. Again, USDA approved, organic, no xylitol. And here is the toothbrush. And we've used this on our dog for a very, very long time. We have a big dog and a small dog, and a Doberman and a Puggle. And I absolutely, absolutely recommend this. You guys know how important oral health is, not just for us, but for our pets. And this is made in the United States of A, certified organic, no harmful ingredients. We really care about not putting harmful ingredients in our body. Well, our pets deserve that same amount of attentiveness. And this company, this brand is just phenomenal. I highly, highly recommend. No GMOs, no pesticides, no dyes, no xylitol. Premium toothbrush recommended for dogs 18 months and older. So both of our dogs are one of them's 3, one of them's 6. Only for canines. It's not safe for cats, so only use this for your dog. But absolutely love it, and the results are phenomenal. I cannot recommend any higher. Get this Radius toothpaste, organic canine oral care kit right now.